Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain how to convert infix notation to postfix notation in data structures. So infix notation is always having like this format, like you have an operators. You can take any of operator like plus, multiplication, division, subtraction, whatever it will be. So always the operators are placed in between the operands. So simply like we have an expression like a plus b. So this is your infix notation. So see here you can observe that plus is an operator which is always placed in between two operands. So whereas your postfix notation, so the same thing can be written as AB plus. So what simply it will say in postfix notation, you have to take your operator after your operands. Okay, so now you have in this format, you can try to convert into this format. So I'll show you the above example how you are going to convert from infix to postfix notation. So this is an expression is given for you like a plus b multiplication of c minus c divided by e exponential of f and then multiplied with g and then multiplied with h. So in mathematics we have a Bodmer's rule like body of brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So which it will show you like whenever you have your expression is having all these different types of operators, so which operator is going to be evaluated first? If your expression is having the brackets, then you have to evaluate the brackets first. Then you are going to check whether the operators means multiplication, division, exponential and all these things which is having the highest priority of operator, that is going to be evaluated first. And you can observe that here you have one bracket and that is ended here, and here you have one bracket that is also ended here. So now you can have here the multiple brackets, and you all know that whenever we have a nested brackets, the internal bracket is having the highest priority than the outer brackets. So simply I can evaluate this like a plus, so b multiply with c minus. So here I have an inner brackets. So here I have two operations, one is division and another one is an exponential. So whenever you have a division and exponential, so you remember always exponential is having the highest priority than division. So simply you can write the division operation like that only, like d divide e, right? First which operation you are going to evaluate, that is exponential. So you can write f here and then you can write exponential here. Right, see? So now this part means e exponential f is a part which is converted into your postfix notation. And you can take the remaining things as usual. Right, so like g you can take and then you have multiplication with h you can take simply. And now here I need to evaluate this one. So I didn't get any confused. So simply what I am trying to do is, so I can take this representation means EF exponential. I can represent it with x. So instead of I am taking EF exponential, I am trying to take x here. So now simply it will be of d divided by x. Okay. So now I am trying to convert this thing into postfix notation. So see, you can write as usual a plus b, sorry, then multiplied with c minus, and here you have d divided by x. Simply you can write d x divide. Remember, what do you mean by x? X is nothing but it is EF exponential. Okay, so then this entire expression is converted into a postfix and you can write as usually the remaining expression. So now, so simply what I am trying to do is I can take this entire part with some variable. Simply I can take with y. So what do you mean by y? Y is nothing but dx divided. So here see I can a plus b multiplied with c minus y multiplied with g. So now whenever you have this type of means, one multiplication operator, one subtraction operator and one multiplication operator, always multiplication operator is having the highest priority than subtraction. What simply I am going to do here, I can take y and g, y and g, and then I can do my multiplication operation. So you can write the remaining expression like this. So now you know that this part is converted into a postfix notation. So simply I can take this yg multiplication with some other symbol like t. So now a plus b star c. So now again you have in this brackets, you have to evaluate this expression. So b plus c, right, b multiply c minus t you have. So multiplication is having the highest priority than subtraction. So simply you are going to do bc bc, then you can going to multiply with this. Right, see here. So now you can take b in inner brackets, right? So b multiplied with c minus t multiplied with h. Okay. So simply I can take this operation is like a plus. So simply I will take this entire thing as u. Then u minus t is nothing but ut minus. Okay. So simply you can take ut minus multiply with h. So then this entire thing I am going to take as w. So now it will be a plus w multiplied with h. Right. So simply what it is, w multiplied with h. So now addition and multiplication, I have multiplication is having the highest priority. So this will happen first, right? So multiplication is happens first before the addition operation. So simply it will take like wh star a plus. So I'll take this as with some operator, like simply it is z I'll take. Now I have an expression like a plus z. So now I'm going to convert this into a postfix. Simply I can have az plus. Okay. So now I want to expand this thing into my expression. I'll get my postfix notation. So I'll show you here. See, I have then what do you mean by Z? So Z is nothing but WH star, right? So simply in place of W, you can write WH star. Okay. Simply you can write at the place of H, that is star, and then you have an operator plus. See here you have this operator. And then you can replace W. So what do you mean by W here? UT minus. Right. So you can replace with that A U T minus H star and plus. So in place of okay, so here is U, and then you can take T. So in place of T, so what do you mean by U? You can replace the operator here. So A, U means BC star, right? U means simply BC star, and then you can simply take T means YG star, y, g star, and you can take the remaining symbols like minus, h star, plus. Okay, so here it is in place of y. So what is y here? Dx. So simply you can write a, b, c star. Simply in place of y you can take dx divide, then g star minus h star, then plus. And after that I just expand this here. So simply it is a, b, c star, d. So what do you mean by x? X is nothing but ef exponential. So in place of x you can write simply ef exponential. Then you have a division. Then g. Then star minus h star plus. So this is your postfix notation. See ABC star DEF exponential divide G star minus H star plus. So this is how you are converting your infix notation to a postfix notation. Simply here I am substituting with some values is nothing but for simplification. So you didn't get confused. So once you make the things like this and you become a shorter thing, you have your output, then you just expand in reverse order. So then you get the correct order. Otherwise, whenever the expressions are given as large and you get confused. Okay, I hope you all can understand. Thank you.